Buzz, buzz, bumblebee. Drinking the pollen. He's going to spread it to different plants and vegetables that are around. I don't know how much there would be on the balcony, but that's what they do. That's their job. They drink the pollen and they spread it to different plants and flowers and veggies. I think that's a nice job to do. Oh, I'm bringing home my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home my baby bumblebee. Buzz, 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 buzz. Ow! It stung me. Oh, I'm smushing up my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Ew. I'm wiping off my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm wiping off my baby bumblebee. All gone.